Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix MS Windows Store Purge Caches error. Let's fix it guys. The solution is to reset the permissions of your applications. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it. You just need to wait for this process to finish guys. This will take 5 to 10 minutes. After getting done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.